don't skip this video, guys. Watch it to the end because it's very, very helpful. And a lot of you guys, you need to watch this. So basically, I won't take too long out of your time. I just want you to watch this video. Basically, long story short, I was watching a video on YouTube and I found that very helpful, very funny, and very knowledgeable. Yeah, I just want you to watch that, and I understood why people, 99%, they lose money. And basically, I can agree with this video 100%. Just watch this video and let me know down in the comments what you think about it. To me, it was funny, but it's very insightful. Watch it and let me know down in the comments.
People are like, so I watched your video and I saw that you were using the smoothed moving averages, but can I use the exponential moving averages and do the exact same thing? Well, shoot dang, partner, I see that you were marking up them support and resistance levels on the 1 hour time frame. I'm wondering if I could do it on the 1 minute. Dude, I see that you were going for like a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. I'm wondering if I could do like a 1-to-50.
So, I know that you said that this was only gonna work on Forex pairs, but can I use it for crypto?
If somebody gave you a step-by-step recipe on how to bake a cake, literally just follow the recipe and you'll have a good cake. Don't put tuna fish inside of it.
If you watch this video to the end, guys, what'd you think about it? Let me know down in the comments, because I don't know how you, but I really enjoy it, and I really start winning more when I start sticking to the same strategy. The problem with the traders is just because they think every single trade must be a winner trade, every single trade must be, every single day must be a winning day, and every single month needs to be a winning month. Unfortunately, that's not the case, and I can agree that with a lot of even YouTubers. I've been seeing that a lot on Nick's channel, yeah, a lot of, on every single video he's talking reality of the trading, and I totally agree with him. So basically, what can I say? I do really think like the problem with the traders and the reason why they are not profitable is only because they don't stick to the same strategy. Me personally, sometimes I do break my rules. Sometimes I do see a trade and I get afraid, because I found out on my winning streak, I do really get afraid to lose a trade, only because I do getting like 3 or 4 winning trades in a row, and then I'm getting attached to, to all those winners, that I don't want to break this, winning streak. But unfortunately, I already got used to even that. So basically, that's how trading is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And obviously, who don't know the way how I trade, you can watch my videos and you will see I do really trade all the concepts combined together, but I'm just going against traders. So basically against ICT, against smart money, against, I don't know, against everybody. Moving average, break and retest, Fibonacci's, against everybody. Because at the end of the day, people, they don't understand, but they trading the same pattern. They're waiting for the break of structure, they're waiting for the pullback, and they're taking buys, or they're waiting for the upside down, so then they can take sells. So basically, that's what people actually think they're doing. But at the end of the day, somebody takes 50%, somebody takes 78%, somebody takes all the blocks at the 79%, somebody takes imbalances. To me, like, that's just probability game, because even the Fibonacci works, even everything works. But at the end of the day, everybody loses money. So this video was a good lesson to understand why people lose money. If you like it, I really wanted to share with you guys, because that's why I created this channel for. I don't even know if I'm getting like that much attention from you guys, but if you did watch to the end of this video and you're seeing this moment right now, leave a comment like a laugh, you know, like this smile, so I will understand that I do really have like some subscribers that watch my video to the end. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.